Hello, welcome to our Borrowdale Trouser instructional video series. This video shows us applying double-sided tape to the crotch curve before stitching. You'll need a roll of double-sided tape, a link to a supplier is in the description box, and some scissors. Hover the tape over your seam to see how much you'll need and cut a short length. Around curves like this, smaller pieces work best. Once you've cut a piece, place the tape within the seam allowance on the wrong side of your fabric. Apply the tape along the seam. Once you're finished, remove the backing. Now it's time to place the other trouser piece on top. Carefully line up the seams and work along the seam line, pressing to secure the seam. Now you're ready to stitch.